Short links can be a big disaster for you, even if you clicked it by accident. Simply, I can go to any platform such as Facebook, Instagram, and create a malicious code and inject this infected program or malicious code inside this URL. And take a Facebook as example. If we move the mouse pointer here, you're gonna read https://www.grammarly.com, and here it's clear. But if I give you a weird URL, probably you're not gonna click it. But if I make it short link, most likely you're gonna click it because it looks normal. So to avoid something like this, and I'm pretty confident you don't want to be a victim for this silly trick, simply you will just go to this website, expand URL, and it will extract the short URL from the long URL. The most important part is the destination. The destination is the website is belong to Amazon, and this is the short link. The title is amazon.com.gb, and telling you the status is OK, and it's for Google, no description, no keywords, and Google safe browsing is this link appears to be safe. But if you want to make sure, just take this link, copy from the destination, and from the new tab, type virus total. Select the URL, that token from the destination, paste it here, and wait for the result. No security vendors flagged this URL as a malicious, and it's clean, not infected. I hope you find this video was useful, and tell me in comment if you have any issue with shortcut URLs.